In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make board connections easy in Monday.com. If you're new to Monday.com, or even if you've been using it for a while, you might find some of the features a bit overwhelming. However, connecting boards is a straightforward process that enhances your workflow efficiency by allowing you to coordinate between different projects seamlessly. First, let's head over to Monday.com. If you haven't already, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not familiar with the login process, simply click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. From here, you will see several sign-in options. Click on the option to sign in with Google and make sure to select the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board you need to work with. This is usually in your workspace or team area where you keep all your main projects. Now that you're on your board, you'll notice a plus icon within your table interface. This icon lets you add a column, a simple yet efficient way to keep your data organized. Click on this plus icon to continue. After adding a new column, you'll be presented with various options for the type of column you can create. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on the Connect Boards option. Click on this to initiate the process of linking another board to your current one. Next, you'll need to select the boards you want to connect. Clicking on the Select Boards button will open up a list of available boards in your workspace. Choose the board you wish to connect, ensuring it is the right one for the objectives of your project. Being selective at this stage can really streamline your workflow, so take a moment to make sure everything lines up correctly. Once you've selected your board, the option to create a two-way connection will appear. This is a particularly powerful feature because it allows information to flow in both directions between the boards. Click on the Create a Two-Way Connection button to enable this feature. This enhances collaboration, ensuring that updates in one board are reflected on the other, keeping your team synchronized across tasks. Finally, you will confirm this setup by clicking on Connect Boards. This action finalizes the connection, effectively linking your chosen boards together. It's a simple final step, but it seals the deal on your multi-board integration, allowing you to manage projects more holistically. And there you have it, a seamless connection between your boards, making managing projects across different teams and tasks more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more features within Monday.com to further optimize your project management. Happy organizing!